Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Pipe Network on Binance Alpha. So as you know, Pipe Network just gets on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it on Binance Alpha, it's very easy. I will show you how step by step. So first, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search Pipe for Pipe Network. Search it, and you will find Pipe on Alpha here. You can click it, and this is the chart. So yeah, from the chart perspective, it's not really good, but maybe there is some opportunity. But this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. You can see the details by click info here in the top. There is 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is not good. It's only 4 million. You can check their social media and their website. Also, you can check their audit here. You can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just click straight here in the bottom. And then you can put the price you want to buy, limit order here. It's up to you like this. And you can put the amount, and also you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to Pipe. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.